Nisaab is one of those important aspects relating to the calculation of zakat, or specifically relating to the determinant of whether or not you are liable to pay zakat. And so Nisaab refers to the minimum amount of wealth a person must possess before he becomes obligated to pay zakat. And so let me quickly give it to you by this example. Remember earlier I said to you that Nisaab as of today is 4,600. So we're just using this visual for explanation purposes. So let's assume that the Nisaab is 5,000 Rand. So if you had last Ramadan 3,000 Rand on hand, and today on the 1st of Ramadan or the 2nd or the 3rd of Ramadan you've got 5,000, are you obliged in the case of number A to pay zakat? And the answer is no. And let's take the second example. If you had 5,000 last year and you got 3,000 this year, are you obliged to pay zakat? And the answer is no zakat. Let's take this third example. If you had 5,000 last year, 25,000 today, how much are you paying zakat on? You'll pay zakat on the whole 25,000 because you've held the Nisaab for an entire year. And let's take the last example where you had 25,000 last year, you've now got 5,000 today, you will pay zakat on 5,000 because the constant throughout that period in the case of C and D was 5,000, which means you held a Nisaab for a year. Everything that you hold above that is zakatable you'll be obliged to pay zakat on that full amount. And that is what the example that we are giving you here. Okay, so I think we have our first caller online. No? Okay. Okay, so let's take that as an example again. So we've got 3,000 to begin with and 5,000 today. We didn't have the Nisaab for a year, no zakat.